How to make Gamepass in Roblox. Welcome to Let Me Help, and let's get right into this easy tutorial. To make a Gamepass in Roblox, just tap on the More icon, then select on the Create option from here. You will be redirected to a new page that is a Creator Hub of Roblox. Once you are in here, select on the three horizontal line which is at the very top. Select on the options of creation. Here you will find your place. Just tap on it. Then once you are in your place, tap on the three horizontal line again and scroll down until you see monetization, under which click on the passes option. To create a pass, just tap on Create a Pass button. You can change the icon of the Game Pass if you wish to. Give your pass a name. Then in the description box, you can add a little description of this Game Pass if you want to, or not, you can skip it as well. Tap on Save Changes once done. Tap on the three horizontal line again and click on Sales. To make it sellable, make sure to toggle on Item for Sale and enter the price in Roblox. Then just tap on Save Changes. Now your Roblox Game Pass has been created and ready to be sold. That wraps up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.